Alright, so I had a viewer question ask how to check the transmission fluid temperature with an OBD2 scanner, and I'm not real great at using these. I have to kind of figure them out as I go. So I have this TOPDON ArtiDiag 600 Pro and this Launch C-Reader Elite H that I've done reviews on. And so what I did was I just went to my 2021 Honda Ridgeline and just tried them both out and made a short video just showing how to read that transmission temperature with both this one and this one to kind of walk you through it. So hope you enjoy the video. I hope it's helpful. So this one is the TOPDON one. I'll put links in the description for the actual model. I don't find it especially intuitive, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So you go to diagnostics, and then I had to let me see what happens if I hit VIN. Go to auto VIN. So choosing the OBD port to read the VIN number. Hit confirm. I'm in USA. Hit OK. So now it knows what your vehicle is. So now I go to auto scan, and then I look at the automatic transmission right there, and I go ahead and hit that button. It was a data stream. Okay, so then I'll scroll down here at what I'm looking for, and there it is, ATF for automatic transmission fluid temperature. So I'm going to check that box, and you can see that it's in, well, you don't have to check the box. It already tells you 38 degrees Celsius. Now, I use Fahrenheit, but you can do a simple conversion that will tell you what the transmission fluid temperature is. So that's how you do it with this one. Okay, this is a Launch scanner. I'm comparing a couple of devices. So I have this in my Ridgeline. I'm going to hit the diagnostics button. Hopefully I can get this to focus. And I'm going to go down here. This is what I picked for Honda. Hit OK. I have a 16-pin connector, USA. Retrieving vehicle information. So I'm going to go to System Selection, Transmission Control Module. I want to read the data stream. Manually select. Okay, I want the ATF temperature. Okay. And it is 109.4 degrees. So that's how you do it with this one.